Welcome back to Lesson Plan Kitchen. Today we're making my grandma's spicy veggie couscous salad. My mother said she gave my grandma this recipe, and that checks out because when you look at the card, it says to remove all of the spicy ingredients. We're not going to do that. Gather all of the ingredients listed here. I've doubled the recipe for a perfect meal prep. Start by cooking the boxed couscous to directions. Once this is done, you'll want to fluff it with a fork before mixing it with the rest of the ingredients. Wash and prepare all of the vegetables by dicing them into 2 cups, the yellow squash, the zucchini, and the red onion. In a large nonstick skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and sauté your yellow squash, zucchini, and red onion. Add the 2 cloves of diced garlic and continue stirring until everything is nice and aromatic. Then add your spice blend and continue to stir. Add the chickpeas, and finally add in the fluffed couscous. Be sure to keep everything stirred and warm, and it results in 8 servings. Each serving is nearly 200 calories with 7.5 grams of protein. It's low sodium, low fat, and has a pretty healthy amount of carbs. If you're not a fan of spicy foods, I do have good news. It's a low to mid-level spice, one that your friends and family are sure to enjoy. So really, there was no need to take those spices out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like. You can find more recipes and nutrition information on lessonplantkitchen.com and more tutorials here on YouTube.